How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And if you didn't know, Netflix detects VPNs when you're using an unreliable VPN, or maybe when you're using a proxy server or a free VPN. This is why you probably come across this. If you're viewing this video, you're probably coming across this little notification here. Now, the way to solve it is really easy. All you have to do is pick the right VPN. So it's not about, the servers or the protocols or whatever it is, or whether or not the VPN claims to unblock Netflix. Most VPNs claim to unblock Netflix and fail miserably. I've tested over a couple dozen VPNs and a lot of them do work, but with regards to consistency, I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall. You've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. Express will have over 3,000 servers in 94 countries and will allow to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. It's a bit of a premium VPN, so it comes with a premium price. But if you're not willing to pay that price, let's say, it's what I use personally on my smart TV, phone, and PC. But if you're looking for a, let's say, more well-rounded VPN that gives you bonus features, will allow you for up to 6 simultaneous connections. It's got over 5,500 servers in 60 countries. Surfshark is a great pick. Now, if you're looking for the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without necessarily sacrificing much privacy, security, features, or speed for that matter, it's just one of the best, if not the best budget VPN out there. It's got over 3,200 servers in 95 countries and will virtually allow you to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. Surfshark is just a great option, and you can never go wrong with Surfshark, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. All of them will work with Netflix, but they all do vary in budget and features, so it's up to you and your preferences and your situation, whether you want to go with Express, Nord, or Surfshark. It's up to you at the end of the day, but I would definitely recommend checking out the full reviews down below. It's a top 3 VPNs video, so you can get all three reviews all in one video, kind of condensed, so that you can get more of a good idea about the privacy policy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, so that you know exactly where you're getting yourself into before you commit to any of them. You'll also find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, and you can still stress test these VPNs for 30 days risk-free, so you don't have to worry about that. They work perfectly fine with Netflix and other streaming services, but if you would like to stress test them yourself, you do have 30 days to do that risk-free. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.